Today I'm going to talk about fire log pose or Agnistambhasana. This is also a really good hip opener, and it's pretty challenging when done with correct alignment. One goal is to get one shin stacked right above the other, foot on top of knee, knee above foot. So you can start in a cross-legged position. I'm going to take my left foot up on top of my right knee, but before I do that, I move my right foot over to the left a little more. So that makes it easier to put the foot on the knee. Bring it right onto the knee, the heel on the knee. And then I might need to wiggle the right foot a little more forward so that heel goes right below the left knee. Now when you look down at the legs, you should see one shin stacked right above the other. The bottom foot, try to avoid having it tucked underneath the thigh, so it needs to go a little forward. And the top foot, try to avoid tucking that in toward the hip. A few ways you can use blocks for this pose. One is if you are working on it and you have this big gap between top leg and bottom foot and bottom knee and the floor, you can take a block under the bottom leg, allowing that hip to relax. And then you can take another block between the foot and thigh. You can stack it up as high as you need to. That's one way to use blocks. Another way is in this pose, we want to try to have sole of the top foot flush with the knee of the bottom, and the same with the other leg, sole flush with the knee. So you can take your blocks, put them against your feet and thighs, and just try to line your feet and knees up with the blocks.